Well, my dear friend, today again we are going to talk about adverbs. In the previous video, we discussed about adverbs of manner, different kinds of adverbs of manner. For example, adverbs which changes from adjective to adverb using "ly" and flat adverbs which are used as adjective and adverb both, and some few other kinds of adverb. Here we are going to see adverbs of frequency. Frequency means when you do some action again and again, that is called frequency. When someone does something repeatedly, if you do it today, again tomorrow, so in this way, again and again, if you are doing same thing, that is called frequency. So there are two kinds of frequency adverbs: definite and indefinite. In definite, you see that few words have been given. They are often used in as a frequency, adverb of frequency. For example, daily, every day, weekly, monthly, yearly, annually, twice a day, like this. For example, if I say that I take my breakfast daily at 7 o'clock. So this daily word, I do the same action, I take the breakfast every day again. That's why I am using daily. I can use every day also. I take my breakfast at 7:30 every day. If I do something every week, I can say that I watch a movie on every weekend. So that weekend to weekly, I can also use I watch a movie weekly. I pay my fee monthly. I appear my test yearly or annually. I go to his house twice a week. Or I go to gym twice a week or thrice a week, not every day. I attend the class twice a week. You can say that I take this medicine twice in a day, 2 times in a day. So these frequencies, they are called definite because they are showing the exact time. But here indefinite frequency, so in indefinite frequency, here time is not definite. For example, if I say that I always go to his house, so I always go to his house. If I say I go to his house daily, so this daily or every day, this is a definite word. But if I say that I always go to his house, of course I am indicating 100%. But this is called indefinite. It is not so exact time. But if I say that I go to his house daily, so this is exact time. Less than always, if always is 100%, less than always, usually I can say that I usually go to his house. Here, this usually is less than always. If I say I always go to his house, but less than always, then I say I usually go to his house. Even less than usually, you can say 75%. So I generally go to his house to meet him. Suppose someone is my friend, so I can say I always go to my friend. I usually go to my friend. I generally go to my friend. I often visit my uncle's house. So this often is less than always, usually, generally. So I often visit to my uncle's house. Now sometimes, so I sometimes go to him. I sometimes go to him. So less than, sometimes means less than, not always, not usually, not generally, not often. Sometimes I go. I seldom go. Sometime, less than sometime even, seldom. Suppose if I think to go somewhere, so sometime I go. Seldom. Less than sometimes. And rarely. Rarely means it is very close to never. You can see that never is just after rarely. So I rarely go. I rarely visit him. Even sometimes we use occasionally. I occasionally go to his house. I rarely go to his house. And even that if I don't say, so the last I will say I never go to his house. I never meet him. So all these words, always, usually, generally, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, never, occasionally, these words are used as indefinite frequency. But daily, every day, weekly, monthly, yearly, annually, twice a day, twice a month, 3 times a day, like so these words are used for showing exact time. So I am sure that if you use them in conversation, so it will help you, because this is a kind of adverb of frequency.